For today's lesson, we're going to talk about another micronutrient known as vitamin A, which is a fat-soluble nutrient, meaning that its absorption relies on the consumption of food. And it's useful in a variety of different processes throughout the body, but we're going to focus on the top 3 today. And that would be eye health, such as helping with pigment formation and vision, as well as skin health, helping our skin cells grow and differentiate. And then lastly would be our immune health, helping our immune cells to function properly. Now, if an individual is deficient in vitamin A, they may suffer from a variety of different symptoms, such as night blindness, dry skin, as well as susceptibility to infections since their immune system isn't properly functioning. Now, this leads us to a common misconception that vitamin A can be useful for the treatment of a variety of different infectious diseases. Currently going around in the news lately, that's been measles. However, it's important to note that if somebody is already deficient in vitamin A, receiving a vitamin A supplementation would aid in their immune health, helping them to fight off any infection. It's not specific to one particular pathogen. So therefore, vitamin A is not a treatment option for a specific pathogen, but rather a boost to our immune system's health. So make sure to stay connected to my channel and with Dane Garvin as we continue covering infectious diseases and how vaccines work.